Hello, teacher. My name is Alan Ronaldo Cárdenas Lehmann. I am student de University Técnica del Norte. My activity is my favorite superhero is Flash because he has many abilities. For example, I can running, I can walking to road well, and moving super humanly. Um, I can run like I have I can run and move well, but I can walk superhumanly. What I hope to the table able to help in the people in emergency and fires and earthquake care and other and super and disasters natural. Yeah.
Hello, teacher. My name is Vinicius Rebelo. My favorite superhero is Hulk because he can lift extremely heavy objects. He can jump long distances, and he can regenerate his wounds quickly. He cannot fly. He cannot control his anger sometimes. I am uh, lifting uh, weight. Um, I can jump, but I not cannot um survive to extremely temperatures. Um, I can help to people uh, be listening to them. I can donate clothes to those in need. I am can pick up trash to keep in my community clean.